Mr. Thalmann, thank you very much for being here and joining us. We're making a video about sustainability within the BÜFA Group.
Yes.
Could you please tell us how important is sustainability to the BÜFA Group?
Well, sustainability is not only in the public discussion all the time at the moment, but it's also the case that all companies of the chemical industry have a special responsibility for that. And BÜFA had always that on the priority list because more than 30 years we have already values in terms of sustainability that we always said people and also environment need to be protected. And of course we see sustainability not only as an ecological issue, it has to do with the economics, it has to do with the ecological part, and the third pillar is basically also the social area. And maybe in the past we have not concentrated on all of the three in the same way, but that's what we are going to do at the moment.
Okay. And what goals have you set for the sustainability?
Well, we have a whole set of goals that we want to achieve. And for instance, as a primary task, it means that we have to achieve CO2 neutrality or climate neutrality, if you want to say so. We want to make sure that our production units do not generate wastewater, so that water can be reused in the process. And of course we want to use as many as possible or as much as possible basic materials that come from renewable resources. And if it's just not possible, then of course we have to work on a circular economy so that dangerous materials or special chemicals are reused and can be and at least do not go into the environment. And one special target maybe also for BÜFA is that we want to generate our own energy from renewable resources.
And with what activities does the BÜFA Group try to achieve these targets?
Right. First of all, I talked already about climate neutrality. We have started projects to compensate these CO2 emissions that we still have, and we can today say we are already climate neutral. Due to certificates, this means that we have compensation projects like growing up trees or renewable energy projects to be supported and so on. That is one thing. But on the other hand, we have also started a big initiative that's called BÜFA Green, and we have two specialists in our group who work cross-company, and they try to bring up initiatives into the different areas of business and work on more solutions that we are more sustainable in all cases. That could mean that we adjust recipes, that could mean that we start concepts of circular economy and an end. And of course we have also further things that we do. We started to install photovoltaic systems. We also have really targets that are defined in all of the segments, and not only that these targets are defined, but we have a control system set up so that we can see how the progress goes on. And one of the things that we are doing as well, that we start to measure the carbon footprint or the product carbon footprint, not only on a company level but also on each product. Okay. So these are the things that we are going to do, and every year we generate new targets. And we know, of course, that chemistry is part of our planet's problem in terms of sustainability, but on the other hand, we believe also that chemistry is part of the solution to solve all these problems that we have nowadays, and that's where we want to take a part in.
Okay. Yeah, I like the last part, chemistry can be the solution to sustainability.
Indeed.
Wow. Yeah.
That's our main target.
Yeah, great. Yeah, amazing. A great view on sustainability. Thank you very much for answering the questions. And hopefully we'll see each other soon, and we can talk about achieving the goals and maybe some new targets for the future.
Thank you too.